I've helped a lot of people fix their knee pain. And after 5 knee surgeries and recovering from chronic knee pain myself and working with literally thousands of clients, there's one area of the body that's tight on most people with knee pain. Can you guess what it is? Is it the hips? Maybe for some people that's true, the quads, things like that. But you know what's really important? It's the ankles right here. Now there's a really important reason why, okay? There's a simple principle that we teach people at WeShape when it comes to having healthy knees, and that's this. The knees should move the same direction as your toes, forward and backward. Now, while it's really easy to understand that if I'm doing something like stepping forward and backward like this, what you need to understand is that if the ankle is mobile and my leg is out here like this is still my knee moving forward and backward over my toes because I have great lateral ankle mobility. Same thing in here if we like cross the legs over and do it like this. So having tight ankles means that you're putting more emphasis on stressing the knees, because if it's tight and I come to the side and I'm like this, now I'm putting lateral pressure on the knees. Maybe it's got to cave in like this in order to be able to do that movement properly. So we want to make sure you have loose ankles if you have pain in your knees. I want to show you a couple different stretches to help you make your ankles feel so much better, okay? First one is a lateral ankle stretch. So what I want you to do is this. Turn your foot inward to about 30, 45 degrees and then just roll it to the outside until you feel a stretch on the outside and back. And just doing this for maybe 5 or 10 repetitions to mobilize your ankles in this range of motion. Now you can do the same thing by putting it to the outside the opposite way, and then you can roll them inward like this. Only go as far as you feel comfortable, but doing 10 repetitions like this can be powerful. Now another one of my favorites is to bring that foot backwards like this, and then bring your knee forward, stretching the calf and the back of the ankle, and just going forward and backward like this for 10 repetitions, okay? And then finally, this one's one of my all-time favorites, coming up on the toe knuckles like this, and doing a little toe knuckle ankle stretch. If you heard it, I even got a little ankle pop when I was doing that right there. So doing 10 repetitions of this. Those 4 ankle stretches will mobilize your ankles, taking the pressure off of your knees to do the flexibility work, because that's not what they're made for. And they'll make your knees feel so much better. Because remember this one simple thing, all right? When you move better, you feel better. That's what we teach you at WeShape. And by the way, if you need more help making your knees feel good, all you have to do is click the link below and we'll build you a 10-minute customized routine so your body can start feeling good again.